The small villages of the Kyrgyz Republic are still largely powered by horses. Here, just west of China and south of Kazakhstan, there are some cars and trucks around, but most people depend on horses and donkeys and good old Shank's mare to get around. This is a poor country. Life is hard and physically demanding, but it does have its joys. Children are everywhere. So are splashes of color. And then few things are more satisfying than working with a good horse. Except perhaps working with a good bird. Falconry began in this part of the world as early as 6,000 years ago. Today, old men pass the art down to their sons and grandsons. In a world where the taking of fur is increasingly controversial, hunting with falcons and eagles represents an ancient harmony between man and the wild. The trained birds of prey kill no animals that they would not have otherwise hunted on their own, and birds taken from the wild are ultimately returned to it. Eagles live some 30 to 40 years. Hunters train them when they are young and then release them after 8 or 10 years so they can live out the balance of their lives flying free. In the fall of 2005, I had the chance to visit northern Kyrgyzstan and take part in the At-Shabish Festival, a gathering of horse tribes in the Tian Shan Mountains. People came from all over to compete with each other and enjoy the spectacle of races and horse games. For the falconers, it was a chance to demonstrate their art. A rabbit appeared on the field, a handler unhooded his eagle, and an ancient drama began.
Appak maralır жаңырдың mı sen? Appak maral gayra buldun mu sen? Appak maralı tuyakka kaçurt kotorgonu sıyaktan al. Karan günge maral kabuldun mu sen? Karan günge maral kabuldun mu sen? Konuşumdan ürküp жаңылдың mı sen? Möltülüde bakkanı bulak kayda, moyunda şüskön ulak kayda, kadırlı jurttu maral sağındın mı sen? Ey, appak maral ey, appak maralar tыңdan, saya düşüp jebe gelir, gözünde jer, haylana tegerenet. Jebegele jönü demek turbacı akmaral süngülüp turba jebe jetpey çurka tüylüp sen. Appak akmaral jengili deçi batat batabı batı para dönür geçi. Jebegele jönü demek turbacı akmaral süngülüp turba jebe jetpey çurka tüylüp sen. Hey, canı ötemi cebe cetemi kaldır çıkıray, tamır zıkıray, maral bululu hey, kayıp olup ketemi. Appak maral maral tuyakağa cebe cetmi cete sıyaktanat, ümit öçüp ümit kayra canadı. Hey, canı ötemi cebe кетеби тағдыр шырқырайт, тамыры зырқырайт, маралы болып ей, қайып болып кетемін.